My friends, we've tasted both banquets. Now we've got a really difficult decision.
Yeah, I think this is going to be the toughest one yet, yeah. Trying to decide who cooked a better feast.
And who is our master chef?
Yeah. At the end of the day, you know what I believe? It comes down to who made the feast that we would go back for a second time.
Yeah, absolutely.
Today, two home cooks, both passionate and creative in the kitchen, came head-to-head in a monumental finale challenge. Guys, we are so extremely proud of everything you both have showed us here in the kitchen. And we can only imagine how much prouder your families will be of each of you. Why don't we ask them in person? Welcome, family!
Seeing my family, I'm like, yay! You guys finally got to see what I've been talking about. And having my family stand with me during judging, it's just like another layer of pressure of wanting to win.
Welcome, welcome to the MasterChef kitchen. I see a lot of pride on your faces. Jen, we'll start with you. Who's here today?
My mom and dad and my older brother, David, Cecilia, and Brian.
David's got this plastered grin on his face as though he's so proud of his daughter.
Yeah.
Xander, tell us who you've got here today.
So, believe it or not, I actually have only half of the contingent here today. So I have my mom, Carrie, my older brother, Hayden, younger brother, Raphael, two sisters, Paulina and Abigail.
Wow.
Yeah. It's always good to have my mom here. You know, she's always been like my biggest fan. She's always told me that I can do it. You know, she believes in me.
All right, guys. Today is all about choosing a winner. You cooked us a 5-course banquet fit for a grand finale. Jen, as a banquet, it was an amazing feast for the eyes. We love the infectious energy you bring to the kitchen, and you infused all of that into your cooking today. Xander, you cooked a deceptively simple array of dishes. As restrained as they were, you achieved a refined elegance in your flavors.
The three of us sat at a dinner table, and we wanted a feast. We wanted to be very, very fulfilled. And I think that you guys hit the nail on the head with what you cooked.
When you brought the dishes to the table, I think you blew all our minds away. Not just with creativity, but with heart. And you could feel it when you ate the dishes. Thank you.
Thank you.
And you know what? It could not have been a closer call.
Good bet.
So, congratulations. Xander, you're the first ever winner of MasterChef Singapore!
I am the first winner of MasterChef Singapore. Who would have guessed that? I can't believe it. I'm in shock.
Kudos to Xander. I do really respect him, you know, based on his skills and his flavors and his, you know, amazing meal.
It's been one hell of a journey this past 8 weeks. A lot of ups, a lot of downs, but at the end of it, what can I say? Thank you, and I'm Singapore's first MasterChef. So happy. I mean, I'm beyond words. I don't know what else I can say right now. It's my passion, it's my love, it's all I dream about, and I just couldn't be happier right now.
This is Sharon.
MasterChef!